Hi everyone. I was out today doing what I enjoy the most. I really find it rewarding and relaxing getting into nature and being able just to let myself have some downtime, enjoy the scenery, and catch up with some friends while I'm out and about. I've taken these photos to share with you. I certainly encourage you to enjoy them. If you physically aren't able to get outside, it isn't the end of the world, and it's why I post these so you're able to do the next best thing. As we've entered 2018, I've been thinking about my goals, and all of them are very aggressive, so that when we get into 2019 and 2020, I'll be able to reach more people in this channel. Why I share this with you is I want to encourage you to dream and dream big. Don't let what others have told you that you'll not amount to anything, or if you're growing up in a family and it's not perfect, don't let it hold you back in pursuing your passion in life. I hope these videos give you some downtime and that the nature photographs today have reinvigorated you. Thank you for allowing me to be part of your journey. Bye for now.